Hello everyone. Next step is the need of design thinking. Why there is a need of design thinking? So what happens in design thinking is design thinking will give you the creative ideas. It solves the problem creatively. Okay. It develops a new solutions. Without design thinking also we can develop a solution. Why we need design thinking? Design thinking helps us to understand the problem clearly and to find a effective solution. It's not just a solution, it is the effective solution which applies to all the conditions, which satisfies all the users. That we calling it as a design thinking. So it can be applied to various situations, from creating more space in schools to the planning family activities also. So encourages creativity and innovation. So for example is Apple's creation of iPod. So in 2007 iPhone created. So this and all comes under examples of the design thinking, which happens to be new generation of ideas, new ideas. One thing. Second thing is improving the existing products or the services. These are the two stages that design thinking works effectively. So problem solving techniques. Okay, design thinking enables us to understand the problems from different perspectives and develop practical solutions. So like companies like Google created Gmail, Maps, they have to understand the user problems. According to that user problems, they have designed an effective solution which definitely obviously works. We are still now using also. So Gmail and the Maps. Next one important thing is it is user friendly. So it is user focused, not it is like a product focused or cost effective process. This is a user focused. Design thinking focuses on understanding user needs and desires. So design thinking works on fulfilling these needs and the desires. Next one is design thinking involves an iterative approach where designs are constantly tested and refined. So it is not like that we have developed a product, we are going to release it. So it is that we have developed a product, we will give to some set of users, we will collect the feedback. If there are any necessary changes are required, we will make the changes and then we will release the product. So it is not like a step process, step 1, step 2, step 3. So 5 steps over, okay, product is designed. It is not like that. It is an iterative process from step 5 to after testing, after feedback. If there are any necessary changes, we can come back again to step 2. We can go like that again, step 3, step 4, step 5. If it is all okay, then okay, and otherwise we can again come to step 3, prototype. In some manufacturing mistakes are there, means we can come to prototype, then again testing. So it is an iterative approach. Next one is the flexibility. Design thinking allows for a flexibility in decision making. So what happens is designers can make changes based on customer feedback without significantly altering the original concept. Okay, like we previously discussed, so feedback from the customers or the clients, we will improve the product or the service. So this comes under the design thinking. Next one, design thinking helps process information in step-by-step cycle. Okay, example, setting up an art exhibition. Each step of preparation must be followed for smooth flow. Okay, building a tree house with design thinking. So first what we need to do means we need to identify the materials, location and amount of work. So it is a very big task. So construction of a tree is very big task. We will divide into a small parts and we will manage them, and we will give the creative solutions. Next one, the history of design thinking. So design thinking was originally introduced by the David Kelley at Stanford University. It was used to teach students to become innovators rather than the administrator. So this is the first most important thing. So we need to become an innovators, not administrators. Next one, Hasso-Platter funded the D School at Stanford, leading to the spread of design thinking worldwide. Okay, it has been embraced by companies such as SAP, PepsiCo and IBM. These companies also utilize the design thinking to develop their products or the services. Design thinking has evolved from focusing on individual user needs to a holistic view of human interaction with the technology. So What is so much important about design thinking is design thinking focuses on the user. It doesn't focus on the company, it doesn't focus on the product, it focuses on the users. Design thinking will understand the user needs, collect the feedback from the user, according to that we will design the product, then it will become a success. So Apple iPod is a famous example for this innovation. Okay, next one. Today design thinking is used for innovation projects, improve customer service, increasing efficiency in the corporate process. So it is not like that, in products, in industries only we are applying this design thinking. Next one, benefits of design thinking. So it is a user centric approach to problem solving. Designers focus on the needs and desires of the people using their products or services, leads to higher user satisfaction and better outcomes. Why? Because this is a user centric design, so we will collect feedback from the users, so we will take that feedback and we will try to improve the product, so there is a definite chance it will work in the market. Encourages collaboration and creativity. So what happens in design thinking is, it's not an idea of a one person, it is a team effort. 10-15 members will be there, they will brainstorm the ideas, they will decide which one will works, they will we will make the prototype, that company will make the prototype, that prototype will be distributed to the set of people, they will collect the feedback from them and they will improve again. So it comes to the creativity and collaboration between different teams to develop a product. Allows for rapid experimentation and iteration. Designers can quickly prototype and test their ideas. Allows faster feedback and course correction. So if at all any mistakes are there, if any user found any mistakes, mistakes are problems arising, means we can rectify it before getting it in the market. Helps organizers become more agile and adaptable. Encourages a mindset of continuous improvement and flexibility. Okay. And finally, it can lead to sustainable and ethical solutions. So what we think is, actually design thinking is just for designers. So design thinking will be in the industry. It is of a art. It is of manufacturing industry. It is not like that. Design thinking can be applied to various fields. Design thinking is not only for big complex problems. Design thinking can be applied to large scale problems, to the minor problems, to everyday problems. It is not like that we are organizing a party. Design thinking also can be adapted here also. We are constructing a project, we are constructing a major project, there also we can adapt the design thinking. So we are delivering some products to some other persons, so in that service also we can adapt a new technique with the design thinking. Okay, design thinking is a linear process. Design thinking is highly iterative process, so it has a flexibility to jump between these 5 steps. Design thinking is all about aesthetics. Design thinking is a magic bullet for innovation, and it's only used in startups. So it is not like that. Now everyone will think, okay, startup company means like Google. Startup company, when they are starting up, means they utilize this design thinking or that. Still now Google uses the design thinking, IBM uses design thinking, Apple uses design thinking. So it became the need of an industries to understand the user feedback. According to that, they will deliver the products, they will deliver the products, or they make the changes in the products.